some blue patch. Well, folks, this is the start of Hurricane Isaac. The very beginning. This is the first rain. It just started raining, 1:45 p.m. Hurricane Isaac. You can see some of our branches are dead. There's the rain. The very beginning of Hurricane Isaac. But we sure need the rain, I'll tell you that. We're bone dry. Yahoo! Well, it's getting windy now.
Right. It is not worth, worth taking a risk.
What is it? 6 inches of water will float a car? It's either 6 or 12.
I think you can do less than that. Less than that with the power of water. People don't realize the power of water. I've been through a flood and I've seen what water can take out, and you don't want to risk it. Anyway.
Here's a sight we haven't seen for months. Rain.